Hi, beautiful people. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like it. This video is a show and tell on Outre's perfect hairline lace front wig in the style Katya in the color DRFF Golden Amber. So if you want to see this, please keep watching. The hairline. This is Miss Katya. She's absolutely gorgeous. She has a fake scalp, the standard 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the nape, and the sewn in strap. She has plenty of baby hairs, and like I said, she had the fake scalp with a 13x6. She also had the lace from ear to ear. I went in and plucked the baby hairs that I didn't want on my forehead. Then I went in and hot combed her, and I'm just gonna go ahead and style her. So I'll see you guys in the outro. Bye. my beautiful people. So this is Miss Katya. She is from Outre's Perfect Hairline, not to be confused with the Melted Hairline. They're different. I don't know what the difference is, but they are. She has a false scalp, and she is a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace wig. Katya is in the color DRFF Golden Amber. And guys, you know how I feel about this color. She popping, baby. I love when they put highlights in the front. Outre colors the wigs perfectly. Like all their colors, that hazelnut, this DRFF Golden Amber. Yeah, she's beautiful. And the hairline, I didn't pluck. I was going to pull some out of the part, but because it's a fake scalp, which means it's all around, and I showed back when I first started it, it's all around, so I did not pluck anything. And my hairline is lower, so I just kind of mixed in some of my hair. I cut back into the hairline of the wig and just let some of my baby hair come out because I have a low hairline anyway, so I just mixed it in. I was like, whatever. But I did glue her down because she is big on my head, so all my big head friendly girls, she will work for you. Don't you worry. The tabs came all the way down to here, and I had to like pull her back a little bit, but she still works well for me, and she will work well for you whether your head is small or big. She's gorgeous. I mean gorgeous. She has so much texture. I mean, she's so thick. She's long. I'm 5'8", and she comes past my chest, and the thickness of her, the density is just beautiful. I put the hot comb through her a few times just to straighten her out and get a couple of humps out of the top. But guys, and I know that I'm behind the square. Like, I've had her for a long time, and I just started really getting into doing my videos, but I ordered her when I was planning on doing it, and I thought, I'm gonna go ahead and put her on and style her anyway. So this is not necessarily a review because I know you guys have probably already seen her. This is my show and tell on my experience with her. I'll just say that. And I hadn't seen this color. Some of my favorite influencers had reviewed her, but I didn't see this color. So I love this color, and I wanted to do this color. So again, this is Outre's Perfect Hairline. She has a fake scalp. She's a 13x6 fully hand-tied lace front, and Katya is her name, and she is in the color DRFF Golden Amber, and it's the transparent lace HD, which the lace, girls, when I tell you, it's awesome. I did have to go in and put in some of my foundation because it was still coming off a little gray, but it's still a really nice lace. This wig is so beautiful, and I would definitely purchase her again because I purchased her with my own coin, as I purchased most of these wigs. So and she was a little bit more than the ones I'm usually purchasing, but she's absolutely beautiful. So again, if you want any information from Miss Katya, I will have her linked in the description box. I will have everything I have on my face today in the description box. And like, share, subscribe, give your girl a like. You know, it don't hurt, it's free. And join the family. You know, I'm friendly here. We ain't trying to start no mess. We just chilling. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.